Welcome to the section on the file type specifier. The file type specifier is a unary specifier. It takes one operand. What it does is that it returns results that contain a file of the specified type. The colon is mandatory and there should be no blank space between the specifier and its operand. Using multiple file type specifiers in a query will only consider the first one and it will ignore the other ones. If you want to find the list of the accepted file types, you can do this in going to the Google Advanced Search interface. You will have a list of all the accepted file types. The file type specifier is really potent when used along other specifiers, such as the site specifier.